Let me show you how to make this amazing infographic in PowerPoint. So let's start. First of all, insert a rectangle, change its color, and remove its outline right like this. The next thing you're gonna do is insert a rounded cornered rectangle onto the template. Now change its color to white and remove its outline and make it more rounder. Next, add another rounded cornered rectangle like here onto the first rectangle and add this shape right here and put it right here like this, and that's it. Now select both of them and merge them and move them onto the slide and decrease the size and duplicate them about 3 times. Move this one right here and rotate it like this. Now add a shape which is a rectangle right here. In between these two shapes, duplicate it and put the other one in between the shape as well. Now you have to select all of them and press Ctrl G to group them. Decrease their size. There you go. Now ungroup them and give them gradient. I'm gonna use this pink and a white touch color. Yeah, like this. And let's remove this blue eyedrop color right here. That is how it looks. Remove its line and give it shadow. Increase its blur size and increase its transparency. And next, go to the next rectangle and select it. Go to shape format and change its color. Give it gradient. I'm gonna use a yellow and white combination of gradient for this rectangle. So let's give 2 gradient stops like this and add one as well. And moving on to the third rectangle, we're gonna give it a green color. And for the last rectangle, I'm gonna use purple. Purple and blue would look nice. And so I'm gonna use dark blue and a light purple color in the gradient. Now select all of these and remove their outline. Go to format shape and give them preset and shadow. So this was all you had to do, and then now the next thing you're gonna do is increase the shadow size and increase the blur rate as well. Now go to icons and you have to select any 4 of these icons and insert them into the template. We're going to use these by inserting them onto the rectangles and changing their colors, and that's how an infographic works. So let me just take some and insert just and select the 4 of some icons. Let's see which one would be like enough. Now I have chosen them and I have inserted them. Now what you have to do is select all of them and change their color to white. Now select each one of them and put each of them on the top of each of the rectangle. Let's adjust them. There you go. Now the next thing I'm going to do is select all of the icons along with the rectangles, and I'm gonna Align them into the middle and the center of the template. Now go to Insert tab and add a text box right on top right here, in which I'm going to write what is the title of the template. Let's increase the size and bold the text. And what you have to do next is go to Shapes and insert this rectangle right here and move it down this one and the text. And let's change its color. I'm using pink color for the text. Let's duplicate it and move it onto top of this second rectangle. And I'm gonna change the text and I'm gonna select it and change its color to light pink. And let's duplicate the first text as well again. And I'm gonna place it on top of this blue rectangle. And the next thing I'm gonna do is select it and change its color to blue. Now duplicate the first text box again and move it onto the purple rectangle on top of it, and I'm gonna select the text again and change its color. That was all you had to do. Now the next thing you're gonna do is duplicate the slide and move this pink rectangle along with the text onto the top and this light pink rectangle along with the text below, and now select the text of the blue rectangle along with the text, and we're gonna move it onto the top of the template like this. You have to be careful that both the two rectangles are in equal distance. And now I'm gonna put this purple rectangle onto below this template along with this light pink rectangle. Now let's put this first template into the place of the second template, and let's select all of them and give them morph transition. And that was all you had to do. So this is the final result. Be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more amazing videos like these. And don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to comment down to let us know about your opinions.